Hello! So the first thing that we need to do to make our paper plate dinosaur is to get a paper plate. And if you don't have a paper plate, you can just use a piece of paper. First, if you do have a paper plate, you're going to cut it down the middle, just like this. To make a semicircle. If you don't have a paper plate, cut a piece of paper in the shape of this. Now that we have our body cut out, it's time to decorate it. I'm going to make my Triceratops orange and blue. I am going to alternate orange and blue stripes going all the way up my body. So just like this, and then I'm going to do a blue stripe right above it. So go ahead and decorate your Triceratops however you would like and come back when you're done. Now that we have our body all colored in, we're going to put it aside. Next, you're going to take a piece of paper, it could be colored construction paper or just plain white printer paper, and we're going to start drawing the legs, the head, and the tail. First off, we're going to start with a tail. So a Triceratops has a medium-sized straight tail. So we're going to make a triangle right at the top of our page, just like that. Should look something sort of like that. Next, we're going to draw their legs and their feet. So Triceratops are low to the ground, so they have short, stubby legs. To make the Triceratops legs, we're going to draw short little rectangles, just like that. So you're going to draw 2 of those right at the top of your page. And it should look just like this. Okay, now it is for the Triceratops head. To start off, we're going to go a little bit more deeper into your paper, and you're going to draw a rounded triangle shape, just like this. Okay. And then you're going to take the top of the head and draw a line just like this and down to make the top of the head. Now you're going to take the bottom down here and you're going to draw a line going right off the page just like that to make its neck. And you're going to do the same thing coming up from the top. Just like this. Now we have to draw on the horns of the Triceratops. So they normally have a smaller horn towards the tip of their nose, just like this. And then they'll have 2 longer ones. We're going to give them 2 more towards the top of their head, just like that. Now you can either leave these lines right here and just cut around each of them, or I'm going to erase those lines so I don't get confused. And now it's time to cut all of these shapes out. Now that you have your head, your 2 legs, and your tail all cut out, it's time to glue it onto your body. So first we're going to start with the tail. Make sure that the rounded edge is facing up. So you're going to take your tail and a glue stick I found works the best. So you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to glue on the side that is straight. And then you're going to put it behind your dinosaur's body just like this, and you're going to hold it there for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So it should look like this. Now we're going to put on the feet. So same thing, we're going to glue the edge and we're going to put it right behind just like this. We're going to hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it'll look like that. We're going to do the same thing with the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now it's time for the head. So the best way I found to do it was to have the glue be right here, just like how we've been doing it with the other parts. And looking at your dinosaur to see where it'll go best. Some dinosaurs have lower heads, some have higher. I'm going to put his head right there, right at the bottom, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, good job. Now it's time to put some eyes and a smile on your dinosaur. If you want to make it a happy dinosaur, which I'm going to do. So to make the eye, I'm going to take my white crayon and I'm going to draw a big white circle, just like that, and then a smaller black circle on the inside, just like that. Then, like I said, I'm going to make it a happy Triceratops, so I'm going to draw a nice big smile on it, just like that. Now you can leave your dinosaur just like this, or you could add some details on the tail and the feet and the head. Like I think I'm going to add some lines, just like that, to the top of my dinosaur's head. Here's my Triceratops. I want to see yours, so take a picture of yours and post it on Seesaw. Great work!